Bonjour, mes amis. Today we are going to be learning how to ask one's nationality and also to ask where they are from. So first, if you want to say, are you from, and then a place, you would say tu es de, which means literally, are you from? If you want to say, are you from France, you would say tu es de France. Now, if you want to say, I am from, you would literally just say, je suis de. If you want to say, I am from France, you would say, je suis de France. I am from France. Now, that part is very simple, just saying where you're from or asking where you're from. It's just 3 simple words for each one. Now, when asking about one's nationality, it is pretty much the same, except when you get to the different types of nationalities. So if you want to say, I am American, you would say, je suis américain, which means I'm American. Je suis américain. If you want to say you are English, you would say tu es anglais. If you want that to be a question and say you are English, you would say tu es anglais. Now, down here I have more nationalities. There are obviously many more, but it would be too fast to learn them all. Now, if you want to say English is anglais, American is américain, French is français, and Canadian is canadien. Now, these are just going to be the ones that we're going to learn right now. There are many more, but we're just going to learn these for now. Now, if you are I'm going to try to break this down as easy as possible. It does get confusing. But if you are a male, if you're a boy, and you are saying, if you're talking about yourself, saying, I am French or I am American, you would use simply this column. Oh, no. This column right here, which is labeled masculine. You would use the masculine column. So you would say, je suis anglais, je suis américain, je suis français, je suis canadien. Now, if you are a girl and you're female, if you're a girl, you would use the feminine side. You'd say, je suis anglaise, je suis américaine, je suis française, je suis canadienne. They are pronounced the same, and the majority of nationalities, you just add an E. But if you notice, for Canadian, you add an N-E to add that ending. Now, when you are asking about a boy and you are a girl, you would still use if you're whoever you are talking about. If you are saying you are French and you are talking about a girl, you would say tu es française, and you would simply use the side that the subject you are talking about is. So if the subject is feminine, you use feminine side. If the subject is masculine, you use masculine side. Whether you're the subject or somebody else is the subject, you use that side depending on their gender. So that is basically everything that you have to learn for this right now. Eventually, like I said, you will be learning more nationalities, but at this point, since it's just the beginning, I feel like just having 4 right now is enough. But let me just go through this one more time. Are you from is tu es de. I am from is je suis de. I am American or I am French or anything is just je suis and then the nationality. Je suis américain. If you want to say you are English, you are French, or you are American, you would say tu es anglais. Now let me repeat these ones down here so you can hear the difference between the masculine and the feminine. English, anglais, anglaise, anglais, anglaise. American is américain, américaine, américain, américaine. French is français, française, français, française. The last one, Canadian, is Canadien, Canadienne, Canadien, Canadienne. Alright, so that is everything for this video that you need to learn. I will add these to the study Quizlet that I'll put the link for the description in the description below. And I will also create a worksheet on this so it can help you learn it, basically. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next French lesson. Au revoir.